Hello again, this is Rubber Band, and I'm going to be going over how to use space and depth keys with your manual duplicator in order to originate a key, and we're going to attempt to make it look nice. That's not always easy because of the kind of meticulous nature that space and depth keys need to be used by, I guess. So this is going to apply to all manual duplicators. This is going to look specific because of this knob here, but it's not. You can use it for any manual duplicator, mini mites, old Foley bell saws, anything like that. But this is going to most specifically speak to Silka Flash JMA Nomad users, but you can use this methodology with any of the other manual machines. You just won't have the ease of using this. So first things first is we need to do this in a series of progressions. So the bitting I'm going to be using is 37757. So because all of the depths are going to be 3 and below, we're going to just straight knock out full 3s all across the board. So when we do the other depths, we will have a very simple process of just getting going. I have a 6-pin key over here. This is a 5-pin key. It's okay to use those because, you know, I have 6-pin space and depth keys just because if I need them, I want to have the ability to do all the depths. So here we go. We're going to do 3 depths first. Or rather, all 6 depths to all 5 depths to a 3. 3, 4, 5. All right. Okay, now we're going to do the 5. So everything after the first cut is going to be lower than a 5. So we're going to do all 5s next, but we're going to skip the first cut. Also, if you're doing duplicates, okay, make sure that you jaw the key like so. Set the key in your jaw and then push down on the tip of the key to get it centered. You don't want any movement of the key like this because it will knock the spacing off. And probably the depths too. Maybe a little bit of everything. All right, so we're gonna miss the first cut. All right, now I'm gonna go back up this cut a little bit, but not fully, just enough to kind of knock off this ramp here. Okay, so now we just have the 3 7 depths. So we're gonna move to our 7. So this machine is bottom shoulder accurate, so I know that I can just knock this in there, but this is just for the sake of anybody who doesn't have that accurate of a machine. So I'm going to do these 2 depths right here. I'm going to miss this one. I'm going to go to this one. So that way I'll preserve the ramps. All right, let's brush this baby off. So the goal, you need to brush it off a little better. Other side, baby. All right. So as you can see, we've got nice sharp peaks here. So best way to test that is, do we have a cylinder? We do. All right. And you get a key that works nicely. And this is the best way to originate keys with a space and depth key system. So you want nice sharp ramps. You don't want any troughing, so you don't want any of the depths at the base of the cut to have any weird rising or falling. So this is one of the ways to get these going with these machines. I like having this control because it lets you very precisely manipulate the blade and the bottom of the flat, which is a lot of the problem that you get with space and depth duplications and originations. So I hope this video has been helpful if you have a machine, and I've been Rubber Band.